Good afternoon, and this is the second day or third day after the storm, and this is how my backyard is looking currently. It is still covered in snow and ice, and it is at some places it's that ice is melting, but then some of the chunks, they are really hard. The schools are still closed, and my kid is at home for the past 2 days, and he's not going to go tomorrow also. So you can understand, like, here I have some flowering trees which I don't know if it is going to make it, but it looks pretty good. I try to cover all my plants using these plastic tarps and boxes. Whatever I got, I just used it. Let's go and see this part. I'm not worried about my big trees because these are Texas natives and they handle the frost pretty well. In fact, this is a plum tree and that one is peach tree, and then there is a fig and apple. So all these trees, they require some frost to produce some sweet fruits. I still haven't pruned this, so for this season, after this storm is over and the weather is a little better, I will be pruning all these trees for winter. So you can see here, everything is covered. I'm so worried because at some places, because of these thick ice sheets, the tarps might rip, and I see some breaks in the tarp here. It's torn because there was a big chunk of ice here, it just fell down. So because, and this part especially, this part, this is all covered in thick ice. It doesn't even break. So hopefully this ice will melt tomorrow. Look at this. I had my bok choy planted here. Let's see if I can just take it. It's coming out, so it's cool. The patio is melting on this. The snow here is melting faster, and I'll show you the side of my house. Look at this. There is like at least 2 to 3 feet of snow here. Some parts it gets, maybe depending on the direction of the snow. This part got a lot of snow. It's like a mound here. These are my banana trees, and I have covered them with a car cover. I did it at the last minute, so I'm not sure if these trees will make through this winter, because we are still going to get more cold fronts and maybe probably more snow in the next 2 months. So yeah, I'll know if this works. Here I have, like, most of my plants are in these two sections, the winter plants, this one and this, and I tried to look inside and they look fine. When I tried to look inside this tarp, the plants are doing fine, but I don't know if they're just like still frozen and they will just get ruined once the snow melt. Here, this is the first year when we have installed this patio cover, like a pergola, and then I covered the rest of the thing with the tarp. So let's go inside and see how the plants are doing inside. We keep our second car outside because we cannot park it here. I have so many trees and plants, so I try to keep them safe during winter. And usually this space was, till last year it was enough, but now this year I just couldn't fit all my trees here. So that is the reason we covered our patio. So even you can see here, these are ghost peppers. They're still doing fine. They're still green and the leaves are healthy. Some plants are showing some damage, but they'll do fine, I know. These are my moringa trees. They don't have any leaves currently. They're dormant, but they'll grow back leaves once the weather gets better again. This is our patio, which is a covered patio. It's like a proper room, but it doesn't have a lot of it doesn't have inbuilt insulation, so I use this heater. But still, because we have the walls on like 3 sides, and even this is covered with glass door this side, so it stays much warmer. This is my cinnamon tree, and you can see the leaves are still beautiful, healthy. The mango tree is also green. This is a sapote tree, and it's not doing it is losing some leaves. I don't know exactly why, but yes, this one is losing leaves, maybe because of the winter. That is allspice. Then there is papaya and star gooseberry, and then this is champaka tree. It's a flowering tree. This is a tea plant. So far I have lost my rosemary and one of the eggplants, but the rest of the trees are doing fine. That is a bitter leaf tree. And let's go outside. Here I have this dragon fruit, which is surprisingly doing great in this space, because this is like my outside patio, which is covered with a thin layer of this corrugated polycarbonate sheet, and this is all covered in snow currently, but still inside is much warmer compared to last year. This part gets a lot of snow usually, but because of the tarp, it is blocking a lot of wind and snow, and also this top part. So yeah, and you can see here my seedlings. I kept some seedlings here and they are doing fine. These are all winter veggies. This is cabbage. These are cabbage seedlings. Then red bean sorrel, and then there are some more. This is celeriac, and this is kalonche. This is also doing great here, and I'm just so happy that I don't have to move this big dragon fruit, because every year it's a big task, and when we get poked a lot and we get hurt while moving this tree inside, and it takes a lot of space also. So I'm just happy that these big trees are doing fine outside. There are some new trees here. This is another variety of elderberry, and some flowering trees. Yeah, the saffron plants, and they're doing good. They will soon die, and they will go dormant soon. And here you can see in this bag, some of the plants, they are going dormant. They will bloom next year now.
Big thanks to you for watching my videos and supporting my channel Seed to Life. Please click subscribe for more such videos and updates. Click the bell icon to get notified about future videos, and feel free to reach out to me through comments, Facebook, Twitter or Instagram if you have any questions. I am posting the links in the description. I would love to hear your suggestions and would like to know the news of your garden. Happy gardening. Thank you again. See you soon.